Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you all how to create these adorable little mermaid slash under the sea message in a bottle invitations. And here they are right here. Yes, I created all of them besides one off camera, and I saved the bottle so I can show you all how to do those on camera. So these are them. I love them. Okay, and if you don't know, my daughter's first birthday is approaching and it is Little Mermaid themed, and I'm excited because I have a lot of DIYs to do and a lot of videos that I will be uploading, so definitely stay tuned for that because I'm going to be doing a lot. Like, I took a lot of the load. Like, I decided I'm going to do a lot of things myself, so it should be fun. Like, we'll see how everything goes because, like I said, I'm doing everything from the cake, the treats, the decorations, centerpieces, like sweets table, like everything. So, and I'm gonna also be vlogging that day, so you guys gonna see how everything unfolds. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into these invitations. So first I'm gonna tell you all what all you'll be needing. So first you're gonna need a glue gun. This is very vital and important, okay? So get you a glue gun. You're gonna need a glue stick. You're gonna need, I have shells. I got these ones from Walmart, these from Hobby Lobby. All different, you know, types and shapes of shells. I also got some pearls, pink and white, and I wanted to get other colors, but it's okay. Like, well, they're $5.99 a pack, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get to make it work. So if you could, like, also get different sizes, like, that would also be great and make it, you know, make a difference in the invitation. You get some gift tags, any type would do. I just got these pink ones. And of course, you can't forget the bottle, and it has a cork here. And I got these off Amazon. I'll drop the link below if you want to purchase these. I came in a pack of 20. They were like 20 something dollars. I don't remember. And of course, well, you need the glue sticks for the glue gun. And I also ordered these shipping envelopes. They're bubble wraps. And they're pretty cute. They're pink, and I was going to mail a lot of them out, but I'm just going to figure it'd be more cost effective to hand deliver them to some people than like the people who live further. Then I'm going to mail it out, of course. And I have the shipping labels here, and oh, can't forget the sand. You need some sand. So I'm almost out here. So yeah, I got this from Hobby Lobby. And you need some stickers. Any type, like stickers that go with your theme. So these are just mermaid tail stickers. And what else? Some string. And of course the invitation. I'm going to add a picture, insert a picture of the invitation so you could see. And then I also like made a cute little what's it called? Note or something to put on the gift tag as well. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start, and I'll get more into detail as I'm like doing the project and tell you all about, you know, everything I decided to pick. So let's do this. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start. So first I'm going to get my gift tag. I have it here, and I'm going to get the little printout. Also, I had went to Office Depot to have everything printed for me, and like it makes a difference. Like, it really helped because I think they charge an extra $3 to cut it all out for you, and that definitely saved me some time. So I definitely recommend that. So this, it says Splish Splash, let's have some fun. Our little mermaid is turning 1. And I made all the graphics like this and the invitation. I made it with the app called PixArt, which I love using. Like, it's amazing. Like, I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the glue stick and glue the back of it. Hopefully, let me get this. All right, let me bring it down. Sorry. Okay, so you guys can see better. Okay, hopefully that's, yes, I think that's better. All right, so I'm going to glue this very liberally at the glue. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and glue it onto the gift tag here. And these I got off Amazon too, but I already had them at home, so I just decided to go ahead and repurpose them. So I'm gonna try to get it centered and smooth it out with my finger, like so. So I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to get my invitation. This is it. Okay, and you guys already seen the picture that I uploaded of the invitation. So I'm just going to roll it up. Try to be as gentle as possible. Okay. And just roll it up. Like so. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my sticker and stick it in the middle to secure it. Okay, and I'm going to put that to the side. Okay, so now I'm cutting a piece of the string. I want to say it was 1 to 2 inches long, and I'm hot gluing that to the edge of the invitation, and I'm just going to also hot glue the end of that string to the inside part of the cork. Okay, and I'm going to set that aside to dry. And now I'm cutting off a piece of string for the gift tag and tying it to the nozzle of the bottle, making sure I get a secure knot there. So also I forgot to mention, that originally my plan was to use this scale paper that I purchased from, where did I get this from? Hobby Lobby, and I was going to glue it on the back of the invitations, you know. So I tried that. This is the one I tried doing. I thought it was a cute idea, so I mean, next time hopefully it turns out better, but it just didn't turn out because once I started to roll it, like, it got all wrinkly. I don't know if maybe that's because I didn't let the glue dry or what, and then like it started, you know, it came off. So next time I'll just try to, if there is a next time, who knows if I'll be doing this again, but I don't know, I'll come up with a better solution. But I think it would have been really nice if I was able to really do it with the scale paper on the back, but I didn't. Okay, so now I'm putting that to the side, and I slid the invitation into the bottle. Oh, well, no, wait, I took it out. Okay, so now I'm getting the homemade funnel that I made with that extra paper and using it as a funnel to transport the sand into the bottle easier. So if you have a, just a regular funnel, you can use that as well. If you don't, just use a piece of paper. Then I put the sand to the side and man, I'm moving fast. But y'all can see what I'm doing, okay? So I'm going to take this out. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the invitations, like when your guests get them. So this is what it is. So you just open it up and then whoop, slides right out. See? It's easy. Okay, so now I'm going to put the invitation in and secure the cork inside, and I'm going to start gluing the shell. So I started with the biggest one, and just, you really just have to play with it and just use your creativity and figure out what fits where. So I just use my creativity and just put whatever. I mean, put the shells wherever I saw that it fit well. And also same with the pearls, like you're just gonna have to just go, and like once you start gluing them, like the rest of them, they're gonna find its place. It gets easier once you just start. You can really just use your imagination and fill in where you need to fill in, like, because all of them are different. Like all of the invitations I created, they're different, like they are unique, and I just let your creativity flow, honestly, when it comes to this part. But I have to say, I really did enjoy myself. Like, it was fun, like, creating these invitations. It was fun. And the glue does get hot, so hopefully you're not, very sensitive to heat. So, but I have strong fingers, so I was pushing through. And, you are going to have, like, the little stringy part of the glue gun. You just have to pick those pieces away once it cools. So, you know, it's easy to clean up your mess after. So, you see I'm just placing, filling in the little holes and seeing where I need to, you know, add a few. And I'm just cleaning it up here, and yeah, I'm done. Okay, so this is the finished product, and I'm very happy with the results. And I like it, you know, I really like how they turned out. And if you have any suggestions or ways it could have been easier, like, leave me a comment below. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Like, I hope you guys, you know, can incorporate a few of the, you know, things that I use in this video to make your invitation great. So like I said, I hope you like, and stay tuned for all the other videos I have to come, and subscribe to my channel because there's so much more content I have to put out there. And yes, and stay tuned for the vlog of the birthday party because that will be interesting. So yay. Bye. Okay, so I forgot to mention, okay, because for added security, because what I did kind of test it out, and I put the bottles inside the envelope and like threw it against the wall like 5 times, and it did not come out. The cork didn't come out, but just because of my paranoia, like I decided to, I had like cut strips of tape like this, and I decided to just tape it around the bottle for added security to ease my mind, you know. So this is something you could also do as well, especially if you're mailing them, because who knows what the mailman or woman will be doing with the invitation. So I just taped it around like so, and you know, clear tape, and it's kind of very discreet, and yeah, so that's what I've done to them. So yeah, all right. Bye.